This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer for when safety, size, and space are of importance. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, the SecuriLock anti-theft system, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.